Hey, I'm Darlene, and this is my review of the Ugee 2150 pen display drawing tablet. Thank you to the folks over at Gearbest for sending me this to review. Although I did get this for free, I'm gonna give you my honest and unbiased opinion. Gearbest.com sells quite a selection of drawing tablets, and they're having a big sale at the moment to celebrate their 4th year anniversary. I'll link to their deals and coupons in the description for you. Okay, let's see what's in the box. In here we have a box of accessories. There's a power adapter, power cable, USB, HDMI, and VGA cable. It comes with 2 styluses, 2 charging cables, a stylus holder, as well as an installation CD and manual. The last thing in the box is the tablet itself. Let's take a closer look. This tablet has a large 21.5-inch display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080p. It supports 16.7 million colors and has a viewing angle of 178 degrees. This is the tablet standing fully upward. At this angle, it's perfect to use as an everyday monitor. And I like that the screen is raised by 3 centimeters, so not only is it large, it also has extra height from the stand. The stand is made of plastic and metal with 4 thick rubber grips at the bottom. Using the lever, you can very easily make adjustments to the tablet angle to suit your needs. Now this is the lowest angle that it will go. Pushing down on the corners, I do find the tablet a little too loosely connected to the stand. But this is an exaggerated test. I doubt I'm ever going to put this much pressure on it while I draw, because I am very light-handed. When it's raised to the highest angle, I find that my stand does not lay completely flat. This is fine when I use it as a monitor, but it makes the tablet less stable while drawing. Any pressure applied to the screen at this angle will result in many small vibrations. Keep in mind, this only happens at the highest angle for me. Any angle below that is completely fine. I personally prefer to draw at a lower angle anyway, so this will not affect my personal drawing experience. Now, this may just be a defect for my particular stand. Let's have a closer look at the accessories. Each pen has a nice soft rubber grip that covers most of the body, which I find quite comfortable. There are 2 programmable buttons. The bottom button has slightly better travel than the top one, and there's also a small port at the end to recharge. I have these charged fully, so we'll see how long they last. The holder can be twisted open to access 8 extra nibs and a ring to replace them. I really like the ring because it's so easy to use. Alright, I'm gonna plug everything in and power the tablet up. Right off the bat, I am loving this large display. It's extremely nice and the colors look great as well. Now I installed the driver from the CD and the process took roughly 2 minutes. In the app, you can adjust monitor mapping, reprogram the stylus buttons with 8 standard options, test and adjust pressure sensitivity, and calibrate the pen to the tablet. When it comes to testing pressure sensitivity, I don't know why, but the cursor moves really far away from the pen tip while in this particular tab. There's about a 2-inch gap. When I move to another tab, the cursor goes back to normal again. Regarding calibration, it's a shame that 9-point calibration doesn't work for me. However, 4-point calibration works just fine. After the calibration process, the cursor is pretty accurate except for the bottom left and the top right corner of the screen, where it appears to be about 2 millimeters off. I have to say that for 2048 levels of pressure sensitivity, this pen feels pretty amazing. It has definitely exceeded my expectations. It allows me to draw very, very faintly, and I am super impressed. With the 12 millisecond response time, there is a slightly noticeable lag when I draw quick strokes. And it does bother me a little bit, but overall, I think it's not a big deal. Since my background is in traditional art and I'm not very experienced with tablets, I can sometimes be very light-handed when I draw, which the pen doesn't really catch onto very well. But I kinda got used to it after a while. I just had to remind myself that I'm drawing on a tablet and not on paper. If you're medium to heavy-handed and you're transitioning from traditional to digital art, I think you'll pick it up very quickly. For me, it takes a little getting used to. Throughout this entire 5-hour drawing process, there were 2 times when the cursor jumped like 5 inches away from the pen for just a few seconds, and then it quickly jumped back. It caught me off guard, but it wasn't a big deal because all I had to do was undo the mistake and pick up where I left off. After using this for the last few days, the pen tip looks surprisingly just like new. There were no signs of wear at all, so those 8 extra nibs are gonna last me a very long time, and the battery kept its charge. The glass screen has absolutely no scratches, and I didn't notice any vibration from the tablet at all. For a tablet of this size, the price is on the cheaper end, so if you're looking for a large drawing tablet on a budget, this one definitely stands out from the crowd. There were a few minor drawbacks, but overall, in my opinion, this is a really good entry-level tablet at a fantastic budget-friendly price, especially with the 4th year anniversary sale going on at the moment. As a traditional artist, I had quite an enjoyable drawing experience, and I'm very happy with the final outcome. I'd like to thank Gearbest again for sending me this to review. That was awfully kind of you. Gearbest has a variety of drawing tablets and other electronics on sale right now, and this is their biggest sale of the year. They have games where you can win free gifts and coupons. They also have flash sales, site-wide coupons of up to $20 off, and other fun things like lucky surprise bags starting from 99 cents. I'll link up to all of those in the description. I will be posting an update on this a few months down the line, so in the meantime, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.